in my large tool lot that I got for $110. This is one of the ratchets that I found. It's a 3/8 Craftsman 43784 V series, and unfortunately it's skipping and mostly seized. So I'm hoping we can restore it, bring it back to working order. Otherwise, we're gonna have to see about getting it replaced. So these models are pretty easy. You just remove the snap ring here and then here on the back. Looks like all the teeth are there. So this might just need a good cleaning and be okay. That looks okay as well. So I think we just clean all these parts with our brush and lubricate it, and we should be good to go. For something like this with a low tooth count, I like to use grease, everything linked below. I figure that works the best. If it's a higher tooth count, then I prefer to use oil. Now put the ball in. I'll use my pick to push down on the ball and spring so that I can seat this ball in. And then I like to straighten the lever here to make it really easy to insert that drive gear. And then put the cover plate on. Let's hear and see the difference. Well, now it actually works and is nice and quiet and smooth. So for less than what? Maybe less than a penny to bring this ratchet back to life rather than spending the gas to get it warranted or getting something that's not as good. I'll take that. Let me know if you like seeing these videos. I know I've done a lot of Craftsman videos, but it's kind of cool to see the different ratchets I've collected and how many we were bringing back to life with just very simple, minimal effort work. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.